In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar end link on your Volvo XC60 located behind your rear wheels. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove the lug studs. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now you're going to locate your sway bar end link just on the rear side of the lower control arm, and it's attached to the rear knuckle area. We're going to use our 15mm socket to loosen and remove this nut. The nut is spinning on the ball joint shaft here for the end link. So we're going to transition into a 15mm gear wrench. On the center here is a 5mm Allen key. You do want to make sure that that Allen key is in all the way. Ours is pretty rusted here. We might have to apply some heat to this to get it to loosen up. Now let's go ahead and loosen this nut here. It's a 13mm. I'm also going to hold this here with a 13mm wrench. When installing the bushing, you want to make sure that the part with the raised portion goes inside. Install the washer and go ahead and get that nut started. Gotta line this up. Might have to position this a little bit better to get that in. There it is. Go ahead and get that nut started. Using a 17mm socket, you can try and snug that down. On the top, we use a 13mm socket to snug this. Now, general rule of thumb, when you tighten this down here, you want to tighten it down until the rubber bushing expands to the same diameter as the washer itself, and that is perfect for the top as well as the bottom. Torque down the lower nut on the sway bar end link to 44 foot-pounds. Before we install our wheel, go ahead and grab one of the lug studs, and I like to get it ready inside one of my sockets here. I'm just going to set that to the side. I'm going to set this up so that the top stud is right in the center at 12 o'clock. Grab that wheel, line that up. Now I'm supporting it with my leg. Go ahead and grab that stud. And I want to go ahead and get that top one started. Once you have that top center one started, that'll hold it in place. And then go ahead and repeat this process for the other studs. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds. When doing this here, we prefer to do it in a crisscross or star pattern. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.